Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make geranium bloom more only way. Place geraniums in bright sun, water deeply, then allow the top inch of soil to dry, and use well-draining soil and pots. Deadhead spent blooms immediately, pinch back leggy growth, and feed monthly with a balanced fertilizer. Keep air moving around plants and repot every year if roots become crowded to boost flowering and vigor. Prune regularly to keep geraniums compact and productive. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooms, and pinch back tips to stimulate branching. Cut just above a pair of healthy leaves and remove any weak or crossing stems to improve airflow. Use clean shears to prevent disease spread and inspect for pests while pruning. Consistent light pruning every few weeks keeps plants focused on flowering rather than excessive foliage growth. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more easy gardening tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading plant care guides out in the sun or on the porch, making learning while gardening simple and enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Feed geraniums with a balanced fertilizer on a monthly schedule to supply steady nutrients that support continuous blooming. Avoid excess nitrogen, which favors leaves over flowers. Select a light potting mix with added perlite or grit for drainage and occasional root aeration. Fertilize more sparingly in hot weather and reduce feeding in cooler months. Monitor plant response and adjust feeding frequency to maintain steady bloom production without causing salt buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.